Welcome to ZenBasket. In this video, we will see how to add modifiers to your products. Modifiers help your customers to personalize a product. Each modifier can be provided with an additional cost. It would then increase the base price of the product. To make this feature available on your products menu, head to Plugins in the control panel. Click on our plugins. Enable the Modifiers plugin. To create a modifier, go to the Products menu and select the Modifiers submenu. Here you'll find Modifier Options and Modifier Set. Modifier options are used to customize products or offer additional choices while purchasing a product, and the Modifier Set helps you to group these options. Make sure you create modifier options before grouping them under a modifier set. To create modifier options, click on the Modifier Options button. Here you'll find a list of all existing modifier options that were already created. Now click on the Add Modifier Options button. Inside the pop-up box, enter the modifier option name. For example, mushroom and its price. Click Save. Modifier option is saved successfully and gets added to the list. Similarly, add more modifiers options. Now, to group these modifier options, go back to the Modifiers page and click on the Modifier Set button. Click on the Add Modifier Set button, enter modifier set name, for example, main toppings, alternate name, and select modifier options. Baby corn, paneer, pepperoni, and mushroom from the drop-down using checkboxes. Click Save. The modifier set is saved successfully. Now you have created modifiers. Let's see how to add these modifiers to the products in your store. Select All Products menu under Product section. Click on Add Products. After filling in the general details of the product, move to the Modifiers tab. Select a modifier set for the product. Here it is, Main Toppings. You can provide many modifier options to a product. You can also set the minimum and maximum options a customer can choose for a product. The minimum and the maximum value depends upon the number of modifier options you have created for the modifier set. For example, choosing the minimum value as 1 and the maximum value as 3 for this product. Choose the default option value. This will be selected as the default option on the product page. Here, the default option is mushroom. Follow the steps for further modifiers. Finally, click Save. Your product is created successfully with modifiers. Now, in your store, Plain Pizza has 4 add-ons, namely mushroom, paneer, pepperoni, and baby corn. The base price is 3. The customer has to choose at least 1 from toppings since the minimum option value is given as 1. The maximum option value is 3. If the minimum and maximum option value hasn't been met, the customer cannot add the product to the cart. When the customer chooses the toppings, the price gets modified depending on the price of the modifier option. Now, the personalized modifier's choice of the customer gets updated in the cart. If you no longer provide the mushroom, you may remove the modifier options. One thing to note here is that you cannot remove a modifier option that is already a part of some modifier set. If you want to remove it anyway, move to the modifier set. Uncheck the modifier option mushroom from the set and update it. Then head back to the modifier options. Search for the particular option to be removed. Choose the Remove icon under the Actions tab. Now the option is removed successfully. Similarly, you may edit or remove the modifier sets using the Edit and Remove icons. However, you cannot remove a modifier set that is already associated with a product. If you want to remove it anyway, go to the Add Products, search the particular product, choose the Edit icon, go to the Modifiers tab, dissociate the modifier set from the product, and click Update. Now head to the Modifier submenu. Go to the modifier set. Search for the particular set, and now it can be removed. So this is how modifiers are created and used to personalize the products. To know more, visit our help article. Make sure you like, subscribe, and get notified so you don't miss out on any of our future videos. Let us know if you have any queries. Thanks for your support.